What's going on, Steven?
We got a boat.
We got a boat.
We got a boat motor.
Oh yeah, we got a boat motor.
Yeah.
That's new.
I was leaning on it.
Yeah, that's new. Look at this thing is long. It's so long, Steven.
It's 3/4 inches from being as long as the boat.
It's so long.
3/4 of an inch.
Yeah.
Is my
And guys, don't worry about the shop. It's dirty. He's been working.
Yeah, I've been.
If you can't tell,
I've been doing stuff.
he's done.
I've been being creative, DIYing myself a fine power boat.
I'm gonna be straight up with you. I don't remember where we left off with this because so much has happened in 2 weeks.
I was floating with the little fins in the last video.
Right, but you didn't even have the concrete in it, did you?
No.
Yeah. So he put floor leveling in there.
Yeah, you're right. I got 50 pounds of floor leveler, about 15 pounds of iron in it, like tubing.
Yeah.
Square tubing, and made me a little transom to hang the motor on, and I've already fitted it. It worked out fine.
Yeah.
And made me some additional flotation on the rear. Got some what is it? Duct tape, fiberglass. Great stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my combo.
Yeah, that's the combo.
Duct tape, fiberglass, great stuff. Do your best. Once we get it.
the top looks worse right now on the wings.
Right.
But they're about to be finished with fiberglass, so it's gonna look way more better than it does now. But he already did the bottom. We're gonna flip it over in this video and show you. Yeah. Because we gotta do some more stuff to the bottom. But he's gonna get on some sawhorses because his back's hurting.
That's right. Yeah. I've been leaning over.
But yeah.
Get it flipped over and let's check it out.
Yeah, but you want to tell them about this?
22 horse Predator, 670 cc, just like all the other mud boats and stuff. And I guess it's like the closest thing here that we can get to like the Thai longtail stuff.
Right.
So we're gonna see if we can go fast like they do.
Yeah. Look, we were watching videos of it like two or 3 years ago, and it's the same exact setup basically without the motor. The motor was different, but the whole tail and shaft and everything, that was all the same. So
we're gonna try to go like lightweight 4-stroke lawnmower engine. Make some decent power. Put a little nitrous bottle on there.
Oh, you don't want to sound like a piece of machinery?
It probably still will. It probably still will.
But yeah.
Nitrous bottle on there, shoot it with some sauce and see how it acts.
So guys, we're actually going to go about this the scientific way. This is kind of a stock motor. Totally stock.
Nothing.
Totally stock. Setup. Only thing that's been done to it is been spray painted by the previous owner because we bought this huge. We're balling on a budget around here. Super
my great friend gave it to me for $1,300, so that's the majority of the budget on the boat so far because the hull was free.
Free hull.
Yeah.
Only thing it's got in it really is nothing.
Couple $100, like
I mean,
said,
really,
like
really
cut
much
off wheels,
and
foam, and my leftover wrap from my white truck.
Yeah,
my wife's truck.
The truck and
the
other truck.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, we're gonna go about this scientific way. We're gonna run that one stock, see what it do with the draggy test.
Get a draggy baseline.
We're gonna drag it. Yeah. We're gonna see what it do, and then he's already got some plans for modifications. Don't know how fast they're gonna come in because again, we're balling on a budget.
Yeah.
So
this is nothing but a guess.
Yeah.
Like all of it is a guess. It might not work at all.
Yeah.
But we're gonna try it anyway.
Yep.
Because this is a lot of motor for not much boat at all.
I mean, we took a measuring tape to it. We can do it again in this video if you want me to.
The engine weighs more.
Yeah, the engine weighs more than the boat, but also the boat is exactly the same length as the motor.
Within 3/4 of an inch.
Right. So that is the halfway point right there.
And it's got a weed cutter prop on it, made for going through the swamps around here and stuff, and not getting trashy.
Yeah.
But that can be altered.
Yeah. It more than likely will be. We don't know. We're gonna see how it runs with this boat, and the guy had it before him. He bent that over to his liking on his boat.
It worked perfect.
So worked perfect for his. So we might have to.
We're gonna have to.
We're probably his boat was a whole lot heavier than this one, so we're gonna have to.
Tamper with it.
It's gonna take some modifications.
We learning as we go.
Yeah. It ain't gonna go. It ain't gonna do the best it's ever gonna do right out the hole, right out the gate. But that's what they're gonna do.
Super local to me has got a pond where I can test this thing without being out in navigable water. So sweet. That way I ain't got to get no numbers and stuff.
Yeah. save us a little bit more money on it, get us some more testing.
Anybody's watching super local, let me know.
Yeah.
Let me know.
All right, we're gonna. I think we're gonna end it here for right a second, and then we're gonna flip her over and try it again.
Yeah, we'll flip it over and get you a shot at the bottom.
Yep. Almost forgot to press forward there, but yeah.
All right.
She heavy stick.
I'm gonna try my very best not to hit that wing on that thing again, but she hard to do.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I'm gonna flip it this way this time.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. I'm ready when you are. I know you got an awkward grab. You want me to start rotating, or okay? You need help?
Never did do that.
You need help?
Yeah.
All right, the front's on there.
Go around.
I got you. I got it right here.
That it.
Yeah.
All right, go back to the front.
Yes, sir.
Swivel it back over a little bit. Yeah. She too wide.
She girthy hips.
She too wide, Brandon. I'm gonna have to get the back up. I'm gonna get you to scoop the sawhorse back.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's toward you or?
Yeah, toward me. Because it's too,
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah!
That's it.
We're working up high. Woo! I'm too short for that.
Yeah.
Too short for that awkwardness.
That was
But
awkward.
That was good. It was good.
This is the first time I've seen it. I saw it when I was on the floor, but it looks. You got a jump there.
That's alright. That ain't gonna touch nothing. Way up there. This is a tonneau cover.
Oh, yeah.
Basically.
Yeah, true.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't care about it like that.
I'm gonna grab your camera.
If it flaps, it flaps. That's not. Oops. Not the primary concern. All we're trying to do is be right.
All right. Let me straighten this back up. A touch there, so it ain't so awkward. All right, here we are. Here's the butt of the boat.
Bottom.
It looks worse than what you would think you would want.
I'll take it. I ain't looking for pretty.
But what'd you tell me, Stephen? Slick is sticky.
Right.
In a boat world.
We're looking for texture that's right. So I'm gonna hit it with like some 120. And just call it good.
She got some canyons on her, but she's gonna be rough down. They ain't gonna worry about it here.
This
but it's only gonna
should be hitting the water.
To like right here.
Yep.
Yeah. That's all we want in the water.
And a little piece on the nose.
Yeah.
If that would lay back down. Like, yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. And we pulled a string from here to there.
I got a little
and
dip.
the boat does have a bow in the middle.
Yep.
So there's hope for like a air pocket. So that it acts like a stepped hull in a way, but more like having a displacement hull on the front and a planing hull on the back.
Yeah.
Is more how it would.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll see how it does. If it behaves appropriately, might have a really cool boat, Brandon. Might be boaters after all.
I think so.
Might be boaters after all. And this is just great stuff, foam.
and fiberglass.
Duct tape.
Yeah, duct tape and fiberglass.
Well, not duct tape. Gorilla tape.
Yeah, that mess is sticky.
That mess is great. I mean, I really thoroughly believe I could live within a structure built from Gorilla tape because it's so sturdy. So I Gorilla tape, filled it with foam, waited, let the air like get to it and everything, and then finished taping it, and then fiberglass over the tape, and then bondoed the really like important, like more sturdy part. That's it. And fiberglass the back next.
If y'all remember from the previous videos, there is metal in here, so it's not like it's just foam where you can't step on it. Right. Don't want to step on it still, but I mean there is metal in there in case you do have to step on it.
Yeah. It's got
just throwing that out there.
It's got like 15 sheet metal screws holding each wing on.
Yeah.
Plus the like glue factor of the foam and resins and
everything's kind of molded together. So
there's more sticky stuff on the inside of this thing, man. You can't unstick it. You can't unstick it.
You can just tear it apart.
Yeah, it'll tear apart, but it won't unstick it from the side. Like there's gonna be something stuck to it. You're never gonna get it back clean.
Yeah. That is very true.
It's commitment. It's called commitment.
Well, I think that's about it for this video.
That's
Unless
about it.
do you think there's anything else you want to add?
Nah.
Yeah, I think that's it.
No,
All
we'll
right,
get on to
guys.
the next thing.
Well, we're gonna keep it in the ditch this time.
We're gonna try to stay in the ditch.
If you have a bigger ditch than our ditch, let us know.
Yeah, my ditch is ruined. My ditch has got algae growing in it so bad
Oh,
now.
I haven't been over there since the last video.
bad now. That would be a horrific place to be.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm Brandon. This is Steven. This is
We're exhausted.
a new boat, and we're exhausted, and we're gonna see y'all next time. Later.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell me I'm wrong. Been gone for too long.